In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Xero demo company. If you use the demo company to practice workflows or test features, resetting it is a quick way to clear out sample activity and start fresh. Before we begin, remember that this only affects the demo environment. Your real organizations with live data are separate. Still, it's always smart to double check that you're in the demo company before making changes, especially if you switch between multiple Xero organizations. First, open your demo company. From within Xero, look for the organization switcher near the top of the screen and choose the demo company option. The demo is designed for exploration, so you'll see preloaded contacts, invoices, bank transactions, and reports. Resetting will remove that test activity and restore the default demo data. If you've added any of your own practice entries, know that those will be cleared too. This is perfect when you want a clean slate for training or when sample data gets messy after a lot of experimenting. Next, head to My Xero. You'll find a link to My Xero from the main navigation. This area is where you manage organizations and settings tied to your account. Going here ensures you're adjusting the demo at the account level, which is where the reset option lives. If you don't immediately see it, make sure you're in the correct organization context and that you have the necessary access permissions on your account. If you're part of a team, an administrator may need to be the one to perform the reset. Now, click Reset. On the My Xero dashboard, look for the Reset option associated with the demo company. Selecting Reset prepares the demo to be restored to its original state. Expect Xero to process for a short moment while it clears transactions, reverts sample data, and refreshes the standard demo setup. When it's done, the demo will look just like a brand new sandbox, ready for your next training session or walkthrough. If you had any open test invoices or partially reconciled bank lines, those will be replaced with the default examples, which is exactly what you want for a clean practice environment. That's it. To recap, open your demo company, go to My Xero, and choose Reset. Keep this routine handy for workshops, client demos, or personal practice. If you ever get lost, remember you're looking for these same 3 places every time. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring Xero with a fresh demo whenever you need it.